Hey, good morning, everybody. I'm dressed like an elf today. So if you pop onto the stream at any time and you notice, it's because we're doing a Candy Cane Corner broadcast. And I made the mistake of wearing the elf costume once, and now it just comes back every week. So here we are. I will be at that a little bit later on this afternoon. But today, right now, we're going to be talking about the rest of this storm system that is moving through. So we're just gonna, over the next couple of hours, kind of see the back end, the tail end, leaving behind some cooler air, a little bit of cloud cover, but we will be spending the next couple of hours seeing that cloud cover break up quite a bit. It's gonna be sunny, it's gonna be chilly, but overall pretty mild day. Mild up until tomorrow night, where we'll be getting another storm system. The second one, or I guess the third one of the work week, the one that's going to be moving in tomorrow night and kind of lingering for a little bit, looks like it could be bringing in some decent snowfall to at least the mountains, so that's good. We'll take anything that we can get. But here's what we know over the next couple of days as far as forecast storm confidence. Storm this weekend, we know that's going to happen, mainly impacting northern Utah, bringing in some cooler air to southern Utah, but we will all be regaining, I guess, that high pressure as it builds back in into early next week. Heavy mountain snow, how much snow, especially for the valleys, that's still going to be kind of up in the air. But there's one model that for some of the higher elevations, so closer to Alta along the Uintas, showing over a foot. So, but it's a little bit early for that. Temperatures pretty chilly still, low 30s for Delta, Milford, Price, mid 30s for Salt Lake, 24 for Bryce, 40 for St. George, 25 Evanston, 35 Wendover. So chilly start to the day. Daytime highs below average, most barely scraping the 40s. Everyone else in the upper 30s. Chilly for Park City. Evanston's at 31. Sorry if I'm talking a little quiet. We're in the middle of the broadcast and I don't want to interrupt. 36 for Blanding, 43 for Moab, 45 for 46 Bullfrog, 51 St. George, Eastern Nevada, low 40s, Ely, upper 30s. So we're not under any watches, warnings, or advisories, but throughout central and western Colorado, they are under winter storm warnings and winter weather advisories. So I would suspect that's because a little bit more moisture coming in from the south will be making it to that region. So we don't have that much more snow to go. Most picking up from now until the end of the day, an inch, even across the higher terrain throughout the Uintas, 3 max. Same for the southern mountains. But most not seeing much at all for the rest of the day. Okay, so we'll look at the start of the weekend. So here's what kind of we have going on over the next couple of hours. Just stray showers isolated to the mountain areas. Mainly clear late tonight and early tomorrow morning. That's why it is going to be a very chilly start to your Thursday tomorrow. Thursday looking pretty good up until the evening. Then our next storm system is going to roll in. That's going to be bringing in some cloud cover for tomorrow evening, and then some minor snow accumulation. Friday morning's commute a little bit messy, especially along I-15 in Davis, Salt Lake, and Utah County. And then it does appear as if the majority of that snow is going to accumulate along the Wasatch Back. Not much reaching southern Utah. Kind of stalls out near Sevier. And then we'll kind of see this continue throughout our early weekend. Messy start to the weekend. I don't think it's going to be as much as what early snow projections are looking like, but it could get a decent amount. This is snowfall through early Saturday. So some locations along the Wasatch Back, along the Uintas, along the Bear River Range, picking up close to a foot. And then we'll see more snowfall Saturday into Sunday. So putting on a little bit more.
7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2.
Southern Utah looking pretty good over the next couple of days. Mostly sunny, temperatures in the low 50s up until about Saturday. And then we'll warm up quite a bit.
Looking better. Yeah, some of that fog is lifted. It depends on where you are, but from up above it, everything was so pretty. As in life, just get above it all.
I was going to say, Debbie, I don't know if it will get snow or Capitol Reef. I don't think so. No. Most of it is going to stay well south of that, so you should be fine. If you have plans to go to Capitol Reef, enjoy. Beautiful park.
Cloud cover breaking up.
Mostly sunny into early next week.
Big pockets of light, especially through central and southwest Utah. That'll thin out by mid-morning or so. But
and then northern Utah, upper 30s, low 40s. Still lingering chance for some showers throughout your Sunday morning. And then partly cloudy Monday, Tuesday. But it does look as if the majority of our precip, at least Saturday afternoon, will be rain. So.
Just shy of average for this time of year. And as we do dry out and see
West Jordan.
It could be a good day to get the Christmas lights up, do any holiday decorating.
I would say probably just rain, Brenda, but let's get up closer.
Confidence is very high, though we'll get a series of storms moving through this weekend, bringing widespread, possibly heavy precipitation to northern Utah. The farther south you are, the less likely that is. It could just be rain in the valleys for most of the event.
Maybe a little bit of snow early Friday.
Depending on the exact storm track, will determine how much we might actually get. So there's a little bit less certainty in that.
Rain Friday afternoon, Saturday as well.
I'll take a closer look at it and how long will stick around. Coming up in the second.
Yeah, Brenda, it mainly just looks like rain. So, not much snow, just rain. Our best chance at any snow will be in the early morning hours. Friday morning and Saturday morning, it looks like. I feel that, Brenda. I'll show you what Brenda says. Brenda says, I don't care much for snow unless I'm looking for the mountains. I feel that. All right, everybody. I hope you guys have a great day. And if you do have some time and the means, we will be at, let me get you the location. Where are we today?
Severe faces more than 10 charges in connection with the incident so far. Troopers also tell us that another person in the suspect's vehicle was also arrested.
A quick reminder as we prepare for the next set of snowstorms.
I'm looking up the location for Candy Cane Corner.
Sidewalks, fire hydrants, and mailboxes outside your home within 24 hours after the snow stops falling.
It's at 33.6 North, 400 West. 336 North.
more than 30 years, Candy Cane Corner has brought hope and holiday magic to Utah families experiencing homelessness.
When you donate, you are
Yep.
helping families.
Candy Cane Corner
Gifts,
will be there
and a holiday season filled with
until 6
community
p.m.
and so much joy.
With that Utah, Michelle Chapman, John Frank here out of the Utah Center
Bye, everybody.
Studio in Salt Lake City, where the toys and other